Asiphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2 na-ke uqala ukungenela ikhaya sacela ucofa i-button subscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola njengoba zinjalo.
Comrade Chair, Deputy Chair, I always ask this question, that none of our policemen and women in uniform can speak any of the foreign African languages. And the challenge is for us to deal with crime. And you can have all your suspects here. Before they write their statements, they can plan what they are going to say in front of you without you even hearing what they are saying. It might be a culture shock to suggest to this REC that if we are serious about fighting crime in Ward 67, we have no option. But those that are properly documented with proper documents can be recruited to the Johannesburg Metropolis Department.
No. Angikaze-ke ngizwe le. Please guys, mhlawumbe mina ongezwa kahle, ngiyacela. Ake sikhulume kwi-comment box below. Hayi ngeke guys. Metropolis usuzoqasha ama-foreign nationals. Hayi ngeke bafethu, hayi yabo leli zwe liyahamba. Hayi bafethu ngiyacela nje ke sixoxe le ndaba. Mhlambe mina unga-understand, angikaze ngikuzwe lokho. Mhlambe u-ANC wenzakalani emalideni a-ANC mayithatha inqumo ezifana nalezi? Hayi bafethu angazi. Ake ungitshele kwi-commentary box ukuthi wena uyizwa kanjani lento.